with vibe coding, how I actually do it, I use three main programs for it. The first one being GitHub Copilot with Visual Studio Code. I like this at the moment because it's um, the most minimal in terms of using something like Llama with like an LLM. I always have trouble pronouncing that. So yeah, using Llama with Visual Studio Code, I find it's the easiest way to do it with GitHub Copilot. It's less resource intensive and it doesn't cost anything, and you can even upgrade the plan if you want to use other models like ChatGPT and so forth. The second one I use is Cursor. That's very similar. At the time of using it, it doesn't let me use local models easily without installing additional extensions, but it's very good in terms of the amount of models and APIs and such you can plug into it in that respect. Um, the third one I've briefly tried, but it's a bit too much for my use cases and what I use it for, is Windsurf, which is a bit more agentic in terms of how it works and such, and it has similar features to that of Cursor, but that agentic part plays into it a lot more overall.